Qifor Glass Guard claims to be a powerful car glass cleaner that removes stubborn oil film, dirt, and water stains, giving you crystal clear visibility while driving. But many people are asking, is this product really legit? Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly what to expect. First, a positive sign is that Qifor Glass Guard is available on Amazon. Amazon is generally considered more trustworthy than unknown standalone websites because products listed there usually pass basic verification checks. Plus, it lets buyers see customer ratings, reviews, and seller info before making a purchase, which adds a layer of transparency and credibility. The second positive is the way the product clearly highlights its features. It promises to deeply clean oil film and grime, reduce glare, and improve visibility. It works on windshields, windows, and mirrors, and comes with an easy-to-use handle applicator for a smooth, spotless finish. These details suggest it's designed for practical, everyday use, not just as a gimmick. The third positive is its claim to remove stubborn oil film, dirt, and water stains, giving you a crystal clear view. If this works as described, it's more than just a cleaner. It's a tool that can help with safer driving. That focus on visibility makes it functional as well as convenient. The fourth positive is that the company provides proper contact information, including an email address and a physical location. This shows transparency and accountability, something that many scam products lack. It means you can reach out if you have questions, complaints, or need a refund, which makes the brand feel more legitimate. Now let's talk about reviews. On Amazon, Qifor Glass Guard has mixed feedback. Some users were disappointed, saying it made their windshield worse and didn't work like a regular glass cleaner. Others reported very positive results, saying it removed dirt and haze easily, cleared heavy oil film, and made glass and headlights look much better. So results can vary depending on how you use it and the condition of your vehicle. So, is Qifor Glass Guard legit? Based on the information available, it appears to be a legitimate product. It's sold on Amazon, has clear feature highlights, claims effective cleaning, and provides proper contact details. But the mixed reviews mean results may differ, so it's important to manage your expectations and test it carefully. Thanks for watching till the end. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.